Hi amigos, hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to Moody Wonders channel. I am Moody and we are participating in the Vlogmas, and today is day 7 of our Vlogmas. Listen, we are being consistent with this thing. I'm so happy and super proud. So today, I don't know if you heard, like obviously you've heard in my previous video that I said this is my birthday month, and if you haven't heard anything about this, it means you haven't watched the previous video. So go back and watch the previous video and other videos that you haven't watched, especially the Vlogmas ones. Please do watch them, comment, like, and don't forget to share, guys. The more people who subscribe to the channel, the better. Anyway, as I said, this month is my birthday month. It's like, okay, can I say it's my birthday week? Because Sunday, the 10th of December, is my birthday, and then December, the whole of December is my birthday month and our anniversary. But yeah, now we're focusing on my birthday. So anyway, when I came back home today, I found a box under the Christmas tree. Remember the Christmas tree that I set up with my baby, the first Christmas tree? If you haven't seen the video, go back and watch it. So I found this, and this is my birthday week, it's my birthday month. I'm not gonna wait for any day. Every day is my birthday, okay? If you want to send me gifts, do that, and I'm gonna open them as they come. So today we are unboxing this gift. We are opening this gift to see. Obviously my husband got me this gift because it's the two of us here. So I want to see what my husband got me. I'm not gonna wait until my birthday. I'm opening this, and yes, I'm expecting a gift on my birthday. So I want you guys to open it with me. All right. So let's see what Mama got us. I'm not gonna like open this to be pretty and stuff. I'm just okay. All right. We got some shoes. I don't know if you can see that. We have some Nike shoes. Okay, there's like a story behind this. Oh, this is so funny. Oh, these are cute. Okay, there's a backup story. Hence, I find this gift very funny. I want to show you something. I don't normally do this, and I might regret this, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. This is actually funny. Okay, this is the shoe like I showed you guys. It's so pretty. It's white and green. My favorite colors. Okay, especially green. Green is my favorite color. There is this is so embarrassing. Okay, the reason why he got me this week, early this week, I only have like this pair of, I have two pair of white techies, if I can call them that, or closed shoes, and I like these specific ones, right? And he saw me wearing them the other day to work. I'll just show you, and like the techies look like this. Oh my gosh, never mind. Like, guys, never mind the dirt on these. He was so mad because he saw this, like, and he's like, you know what, one day, you know, this is so embarrassing. How can you say you wear that to work? But it's so comfy. So I'm guessing he bought me these so that I can throw these away. Ah, man, find you a guy who gets you, hey? So funny, but like, I like them. I am so thankful. I'm so grateful to him, and I'm just gonna thank him for properly, obviously, after this. But yeah. And another thing, these are coming off today. Yo, I've been waiting. So that means tomorrow I'm gonna have a bad hair day to work. But yeah, Yo, this Caesar. But yeah, guys, I hope you liked this unboxing and the video today, because wow, I really did not expect this. I was expecting something different, because he asked me what do I want for a gift and all that, but I never mentioned shoes. So I guess the conversation or what he saw, he was like, nah, this girl ain't getting none of that. He's getting some shoes. Ayo, guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you did, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and recommend the channel to other people. From me, Moody, lots of love to you guys. Adios. Bye.